It's been a minute since I did some rolling inside the house. Being active. I can feel it. I can feel it. What's up, Ali Ale? Ugh. Feels weird. Sit you up here. So I don't feel like adjust to you, not really. First, I didn't make sure that I whoa, gotta get used to that hill. I don't know why there's like a little hill here, but I old lady can't see. I understand. Oh, can I still do it? Let me see. Hi. Oh no, it's still sexy. Then bust my head on that. Hold on. I can do it a little bit. It's like no, it's just a lot of that I realized was because my wheels were so tight, but I can kind of do a little better. That's why you're definitely looking down and skating. I got all these tank tops and I'm gonna sit down and put something on. I just think of some things that I want, you know. I think I want one that says hashtag movie night. Thinking about one that I already got a fruits basket shirt now. Thinking about one that really serious. Maybe I'll find something cool. Okay. That's I can still do that. Okay. Let's see. I think the lady was on the tree. Everything I do on skates is scary. So I guess I'll just start with doing basic stuff over and over again. I want to do that when I'm feeling woozy, so I think I'm doing it. I'm scared. So let me stop. It's so crazy to not have been I mean, I was on skates at the skating rink, but when I do like small things like this, I have to literally slow. Moving around in circles and circles is pretty easy. So, yeah. Let's try you again. Oof, one day I will skate backwards. One day. Anyway, let's keep it simple for today. At one point, my lady was saying you should be able to stand up on one foot, but I am too afraid to do that now. Let's one side. Go ahead and shake it. I'll do that. See this. Man, so crazy. Big muscle man. No. Damn, I used to shoot the duck. Can I even get down there like that? Ay, ay. In a second. Let's see if I can do it. Woo! Ugh! Hold on the thighs. I gotta get back to working out. It's just good work. That's not. I really have not been doing anything. Boy, it's good to sit and count. Hi, Ronnie. I'm be sore. I'm just a little bit of movement. You're gonna look like Oliver, right? Yeah. That is so cute. Oh, it's nice to roll around. Sometimes I put him to roll later. Hey, don't hit me. Run, Oliver, they're gonna kill you.